So like mainly is your neck, upper back, shoulder, like low back too. This is so many areas.
Yes. So and I every now and then I got like a knot on the back of my neck, like right here somewhere, and then my shoulder hurts a lot. But I lift equipment. I do ice machines, like commercial ice machines.
So you know how to fix machine?
Yeah.
Page, okay. So you say the neck pain, right? Just circle the area very through the pain. But at the same time, tell me where, like what level is it? You have had any migraine? No.
Yeah. I take about 8 to 12 Advil a day. I try to space them out.
No. Oh my God. What YouTube now? So you every single day?
Yeah.
8 Advil? 8 to 10 Advil per day?
Yeah, in the morning I take anywhere from 3 to 4 on the way to work, and then around lunch.
For how long? Couple years already?
Nah, I just started probably 4 months ago.
Oh wow.
Because that's when everything started really.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
For the past 5 or 6 months, it's been
really tough.
struggle kind of.
Oh wow. So
there's some days I don't even get out of bed.
So oh my God. Okay. So since you come here, you don't take Advil, right? Because before you like one day you take 12 Advil per day. So like last time you come here or first time you don't take Advil no more.
I haven't taken it anymore.
Oh my God. Okay. I'll make sure I put on YouTube. Okay. I'm gonna put on YouTube because right now like, I'm serious. Like even MD though, MD medical doctor he work for emergency room. It's not regular MD. It's not family doctor, right? He work for emergency room. Like even his headache migraine. His doctor wanted him to take like Advil, do stomach surgery. So he come here like 2 times already, like low pain pill.
Yeah.
It's much better. Or same as you, right? Low pain pill, low Advil.
None.
Oh, none.
I wanted some yesterday, but I was like, no,
Okay.
fight it.
Oh, okay.